What if I told you that you could start 5 AI side hustles today without paying for subscriptions or needing prior experience? In this video, I'll show you 5 real AI side hustles you can start using free tools only. One of them can help you earn your first $50 this week. No hype, no coding. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn smart tools into real income. Today, I'm breaking down 5 beginner-friendly AI side hustles you can start right now using free tools only. I'll explain what each hustle is, which free AI tools to use, and how people are monetizing them today. Let's start with the first one. Small business owners constantly need product descriptions for their e-commerce sites like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon, and most of them hate writing. Your job is simple. Ask the client for product details, paste them into ChatGPT, and deliver a polished description in minutes. Use free tools like ChatGPT and Canva to format and deliver the final version cleanly as a PDF. Here's a prompt to use. You are a professional copywriter. Write a 3-paragraph product description for this product, focusing on benefits, emotion, and a clear call to action. You can charge $20 to $40 per description, even as a beginner. This is one of the fastest wins. The second hustle is social media captions. Brands need daily content, especially captions, and most don't want to write them. You can offer caption packs, like 10 captions for $15 or 30 captions for $40. You'll use free tools like ChatGPT and Google Docs. Here's a prompt example. Write 10 short Instagram captions for this niche. Keep them under 15 words and include emojis. You deliver once, but clients often reorder every month, which makes this hustle great for recurring income. The third hustle is AI short-form video scripts. Creators want scripts for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, and they pay for them. You don't film. You don't edit. You just write the script. All you need is ChatGPT. Here's a prompt. Write a 30-second TikTok script about this topic. Start with a strong hook, include 3 value points, and end with a call to action. You can charge $25 to $75 per script, and this hustle is massively underrated right now. The fourth hustle is AI Canva templates. This is where real passive income potential starts to show up. You can create simple templates for Instagram posts, quote graphics, checklists, and planners. ChatGPT helps you generate the content, and Canva handles the design. Once created, these templates can be sold on Etsy or Gumroad, or bundled and sold directly to small businesses. The fifth and final hustle is AI-assisted virtual services, and this is the fastest way to monetize. You can offer services like email drafting, resume rewrites, blog outlines, and client responses. AI does the heavy lifting, and you deliver faster. You'll use free tools like ChatGPT and Google Workspace. Here's a simple prompt. Rewrite this email to sound more professional and friendly. Many beginners earn their first $50 to $100 using this exact approach. Here's the key takeaway. You do not need paid AI tools to start making money. You need one hustle, one free tool, and consistent action. Here's what to do next. Pick one side hustle from this list, test it this week, and use AI to deliver faster than most beginners. If you want the exact prompts, workflows, and a 1-hour plan to get started, download the free AI Money Starter Kit linked below. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for daily videos on building real income with AI.